Good morning everyone, Matthew Retallack here, calling from Deakin Warm Ponds campus. A little bit of information about the articulation course that we're running through the Myotherapy Association Australia in May. So I am Matthew Retallack, I'm an osteopath, have been practicing since 2013 with a little bit of time in the USA spent on biomechanics and movement. Recently back working both in private practice as well as a casual academic focusing on anatomy for the medical program here at Deakin University. What you'll expect from this course will be a very thorough and systematic approach to articulation. So going all the way from the proposed mechanisms of why we think articulation works, a way to identify when articulation would be a suitable treatment technique in the clinic, as well as a large practical component focusing on articulation of the spine and pelvis for the first session, and the extremities, both upper and lower, for the second session. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. Thank you so much for supporting the course, and I hope we all learn something. Thank you.